Vibrations are probably the biggest issue on two-stroke dirt bikes. Today in this video, I got something that might help. Stick around, guys. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. I'm getting ready for a fairly big trail ride on my KTM 300 and I got a few things here I want to install before I go. But the biggest thing and the reason why I'm doing it is that Brian from BKE Racing, he reached out to me and he sent me this product that this is pretty much the main thing he does. These two little things, this is called a AHIS, Advanced Handlebar Isolation System, something like that. And this is supposed to help with vibration, with all the impact and everything you are hitting while you are riding. As you know, right now I'm having a flex bars, which I like. I like the product. You know, it does what it's supposed to. The vibration reduces dramatically, and also I'm not getting tired. I'm not getting R-pump on the trail, so it's really a good product. I've been running that for maybe like 2 years now. But this is something that it's supposed to do the same thing, maybe even better. I don't know. We're gonna test it, try it, and see how it works. But what is good and what is advantage about these guys is that this just replaces your stock bar mounts. So once you put these in, then you can go with any kind of handlebar band, something that you are familiar with. You don't have to replace your bars. You don't have to replace your hand guards. All that can stay stuck. All you are replacing are these two little things. And if this does the job, then I think it's pretty good way to go, right? So we're gonna test it. We're gonna put it on a bike. Today I have this rental bars. This is the band that I like. Let me open it for you. This is the band I like. These rental bars. And yeah, you are not able to run the rental bars if you have flex bars, right? So these are the rental bars we're going to put on, and then I got Enduro Engineering wraparound hand guards and decided to go with a white color to kind of match my front. There's a lot of orange on the back already, right? And then, just to top it off today's job, I have this protection for the TrailTech trip computer that I got from TrailTech. Tom, thanks a lot, man. You know what I'm talking about, right? So this will go on the bike together. So today we're gonna install all of this and get ready for our trail ride. These are my standard bar mounts, and as you can tell, they are on a little bit forward. There are two holes. You can adjust your handlebars to go a little bit forward or a little bit closer to you. So this one feels more natural for me. I'm gonna keep the same position while installing the other stuff. Alright, so this is the line for the handlebars, and if I'm going to, we're gonna install them like this, with these little hinges or elbows toward me. So I'm gonna use the same hole like this. You can tell that my handlebars will be a little bit more forward, which I'm fine with. If I don't like it, then I can come back, use this hole, and then the handlebars would be a little more toward me. But I think this should feel good. Oh, it's in there. I have to do something else. All right. Okay, should be able to use the impact now. They already come with a thread lock on the bolts, so there's nothing I need to do, just thread them in. Alright, so I checked the manual and found out that this is actually soft to ride for slower technical riding, and this is a little bit faster for like desert and some racing. So we're going to install it this way. set the torque wrench to 20 Newton meters. That's what I recommend. Time to put our bars on. We're gonna play with it once we're on the bike. Well, since we have good access right now, we're gonna install this billet aluminum protection for trail tag. Right, so I decided to use this mount right here. It comes with different mounts. You can replace it, but you know, after I was looking at everything, I think this one right here would be the best option. Fits right like that. I have nice vision and it's nicely tucked in here, protected. It should look good. Not a bad idea to use some medium strength thread locker on these bolts. Alright, so this is a really tight fit. I had to play with it a little bit. I drill a little bigger hole over there, but right now it is under. It's going nowhere. It's right there. Alright guys, so we have our new setup installed, and well, I have to tell you, I like it. I like the colors, I like this anodized thing, and new bars and Enduro Engineering you know, handguards. Everything looks good. It makes this bike look just a little bit more fresh. It was a little bit beat up after this 50 hours I put on the bike so far, roughly, and yeah, so it does move a little bit. I can feel it. I'm still gonna adjust a little bit the details. I'll take you for a little ride. And then, as I said, I'm gonna go for a big ride, a trail ride with like a bunch of other guys. And on that ride, I will actually do review of these things. Today, this video was installation and also, you know, this everything, all the setup. I have this Endurance 2 computer nicely protected, so I'm pretty stoked how everything turned out. Let me know below in the comments. This is a new thing I haven't seen in the market for a very long time. So some of you maybe know about it, some of you probably don't know about it. So I'm really, you know, happy to test something new, see how it feels, and if it's good, I'll be more than happy to recommend it to you guys. Alright, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.